So easy. And you know, it's so easy for people to complain about something. My theory is, why don't we tell people, now listen, why don't we tell people when they do something nice? We only tell them when they do that something's going wrong. I mean, everybody likes to have a little pride in themselves or do things. And I've told that to several of the girls. I said, it's not fair. You have to tell them if they do something good, or they give her a bath, or they wash her socks, or whatever they do. And I tell that to them every day. I tell it to somebody. Tell her that she did something good. I do. You know, if they do something, and I always say, "Oh, you're wonderful. That's great." You know, and they tease me. And no, I think people like to know that they've done something nice and that they're appreciated. I think that's very important. And so that's what I do. I tell them to tell people that their worth. They have worth, no matter what it is they're doing. And I feel very strongly about that. And I feel that it's not given enough in this place. They don't tell them anything. They never say, "Gee, you did that." You know, I used to tell my boss when he used to say to me, sometimes he'd ask for a file that was 10 years old, and I'd find it for him, and I'd get it. And, "Oh, Sylvia, you're a genius." I said, "Write it in blood." I said, "Write it out in blood, would you please?" And he'd go on, and I'd say, "I don't want any titles. I don't want any accolades. Put it in my envelope at the end of the week. That's what I want." I said, and he always laughed, you know. But I said, "You put that in my envelope."